Hey guys, just want to share this quick tip with you that I think will help in your producing and your mixing process. And so basically what it is that when you are mixing, you should get in the habit, in my opinion, of using the fader volume levels only to set the volume of each one of your tracks. And then if you want to automate the volume, go ahead and throw in a utility or a gain knob if you're using another DAW. In Ableton, we use utility, and I'm going to show you an example of this and why, how it'll actually affect your workflow. So let's say I've got my track here, and I've got this little reverse piano thing. It sounds like this. Okay, let's say I wanted to actually basically I want to make it sound like it's coming more out of nowhere. So if I right click here, do show automation, I can do something like this, and then go like this, and let's go take a listen to that. Now that's cool, but then I just did that with the volume. Now let's say I want to adjust the volume level of it. Well, it's kind of tricky to get in here and be like, okay, I'm going to go ahead and draw the automation. And especially when you've got an instrument that's playing throughout your whole track and you want to automate the volume, and let's say you just want to turn it up a little bit. It just gets tricky and frustrating and annoying to have to go in and play with the automation when what you could actually do is something like this. So we're going to delete this automation, delete that. We're going to use a utility. I'm going to right click here, show automation. And right here, I'm going to draw in the same thing that I kind of want, this curve like this. Let's take a listen. And now I'm like, okay, well, that's cool, but I want to turn it up. So now I can just go like this, and I can adjust the volume like this. And just doing it like that, and then say if you have another instrument or whatever, like a lead, and you want to automate the volume of it, whether to create more dynamic performance or to create, maybe you want something to sound like it's coming out of nowhere, it's just appearing, and so you, just like this, you can go like this, and then it just has that sound. But if you want to adjust the volume later on, it's just a lot easier to mix if you do it this way, okay? And so I just want to throw it out there. If you have your own way of doing things, your own workflow, and you don't mind doing that, then keep doing what you're doing, but it's worth a try. It'll make you more effective as a music producer and mixer as well. Okay, so I hope that helps. Make sure you look in the description below, grab my free mix training. Also book a call with me if you want to get my course Mix Immersions and join my private Discord group if you want to learn everything you need to know about mixing and mastering and, speed up your process of learning. Book a call with me, and I'll look forward to talking to you guys next time. All right, see ya.